Hi there! I wanted to talk about my solo hike this month. As there are many little hiking roads, matkarajad in Estonia, in 2000 an idea arose of connecting the existing roads into a single long road, matkatee. The first long hiking route was from Oandu to Ikla and it was opened in 2012. The road is 370 kilometers long. Matkatee on 370 kilomeetrit pikk. Matkatee on 370 kilomeetrit pikk. Matkatee on 370 kilomeetrit pikk. The next one was opened in 2013 but extended in 2015. The route is from Peraküla to Järvi and today the distance is 812 kilometers. The third one was opened in 2018 from Penijõe to Kauksi and it's 613 kilometers long. Notice they all pass through Aegviidu, which is our hiking capital, Matka pealinn. Matka pealinn. Matka pealinn. In 2021 was opened the fourth route on island, Saar. Saar on our beloved Hiiumaa. The trail covers 234 kilometers. So at the moment in 2023 there are altogether 4 long-distance hiking roads. 4 matkateed. 4 matkateed. 4 matkateed. 4 matkateed. It was my long-time dream. See oli mu ammune unistus. See oli mu ammune unistus. To cross the road from Aegviidu to Oandu. But as the distance is 79 kilometers, I couldn't figure out how to do it. Ma ei suutnud välja mõelda, kuidas seda teha. Last year I gathered a little group of people who wanted to hike, kes tahtsid matkata. And we made it from Võsu to Loksa tee. In case you're wondering, the trails are always marked with some sort of color pattern, and there are 2 options, for the hikers by foot and with bicycles. So this year I made the journey by myself from Kõnnu to Aegviidu, and it was so far my 3rd solo hiking with the huge hiking bag, matkakott. My journey started from Tallinn bus station, Tallinna bussijaam, where I bought a ticket to Kõnnu from the vending machine, müügiautomaat. My bus left from the 6th road. Buss läks 6. teelt. The bag wasn't hard to find. It started right next to the bus stop. Bussipeatus. The trail is marked. Rada on tähistatud. At first the road goes along a gravel road, kruusatee. I got to see the forest in its beauty. My first stop was at Järvi Pärnjärve camping area, telkimisala, where I decided to stay for the night in my hammock, võrkkiik. I took those pictures of my hammock last time I was in the forest. We decided last year to use the load covers, koormakate, in case it's raining. It was just cheaper. See oli lihtsalt odavam. As my phone died on me the next day, I couldn't take so many pictures this time, but nevertheless it was beautiful. See oli ilus. Mainly forest. Peamiselt mets. I was a little bit disappointed that Jussi road section was only a short one. It's really something else when you just take that road. But then again, it was a sunny day and in that area there are only few trees, so probably it was for the best. That photo is also from my previous visit to Aegviidu, but seeing the train, rong or carrots, porgandid, as we call them here because of the color. Seeing the train felt so heavenly I just had to share it. The road is about 30 kilometers long and not the easiest one in the middle. There are several camping areas. Järvi Pikkjärve, only a little bit further is Järvi Pärnjärve, where I was camping myself. The hardest part of the road is around Paukjärve. After Jussi, it's a long hike to Aegviidu. The last one, Venemaa, is a little bit off the road. Also, from Paukjärve to Jussi, there is a military area nearby, where they practice shooting on certain days of the year. Then the main road is closed, but there should be an alternative trail not far away. They only used the area marked in red up to this year, but the danger zone has been extended to the yellow line now, so it's smart to check their website. I'll leave that below. If there is a next time, I would do it in a day, without any sleeping equipment. In theory, it's totally possible. The first bus is in Kõnnu at 10:06. Esimene buss on Kõnnus 10:06. And the last train from Aegviidu to Tallinn leaves at 22:16. Viimane rong läheb Aegviidust Tallinna kell 22:16. Viimane rong läheb Aegviidust Tallinna kell 22:16. As the distance is about 30 kilometers, I think it's possible to do it in one day. From 10:06 to 22:16 is 12 hours, and without taking a pause it leaves 24 minutes per kilometer. Taking pauses every now and then, for about 2 hours altogether, it leaves 10 hours for hiking and on average 20 minutes per kilometer. If you want to see the pictures I made last year, then stick around. In 2016 I made it from Aegviidu to Vetla, but some parts ran along the highway, as it had just rained and I couldn't pass the forest. So those were my trips. Aitäh! Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!